Yep, here we go. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Zoolax Nights Evil Dolls. This time I'm not wearing my earbuds because I figured out when I plugged in my earbuds at the beginning of the recording, kind of messed up the audio, so now you get to hear the horrible sounds I was hearing that you may thought I was a maniac for talking about. So let's continue. What? Oh no. No, am I really gonna have to start over night one? Oh no, at least you get to hear the audio.
Hello, my name is Bo. I'm the CEO of Zoolax, Inc.
I'll let you listen.
Zoolax Incorporated. We have just bought this old antique shop. Some of the equipment is out of service. Our technicians will try to repair them in the coming nights. I must give you some basic instructions for the first night. On the main screen at the bottom right corner, there is an icon. If pressed, you can pull out the tablet to monitor the security cameras. You can also switch the map to observe the underground system. On the bottom left corner, there is another button in case you need to hide. Keep an eye on camera 13. Our company scientists are studying these cursed dolls around the clock. So, you see Pogo on the left with those fascinating sharp teeth, Loogie in the back, and Sally, the girl, on the right. If Sally and Loogie come near you, just hide under the desk for a while. They can be a bit sensitive around strangers. Also, avoid staying under the desk for too long. Make sure you know where they are at all times. If the dolls feel you are not checking on them, horrible things can happen. Just watch your energy bar, since everything that you turn on will use the main generator. Keep an eye on camera 15, which is an antique puzzle picture. Make sure all the puzzle pieces are in the right place. For some reason, the puzzles switch places once in a while. If that happens, correct the puzzle pieces by clicking on them, since unexpected events tend to happen. There is a red button on your desk. If pressed, you can see the hallway in front of you. Again, welcome to the family of Zoolax, Inc., and goodbye for now.
Please don't leave me again. So yeah, you heard him. They know these dolls are haunted. Fascinatingly sharp teeth. We have the Grinch. Yeah. So yeah. This goes very slowly. I still don't know what that is. What is that? What do I do? So if I lose track of these guys, they get more aggressive. Okay, that's very bad. Very bad, hehe. But like I was saying last time, what was the name of the last video? I have to make sure I look that up. Yeah, I really hate the fat one. What? I didn't know he left. Why are you more aggressive? Stop looking at me, creepy lady. Stop! What is the noise? What? Oh, it's over. What was it? I know I'm using my power very crazily, but I really don't want to make them aggressive. Hello? I'm gonna keep an eye on Woody here. Yeah, I'm gonna nickname him Woody, because I already forgot his name. Hold on. Luget. I think his name is Luget. Loget? I don't know. I'm calling him Woody. He's very thin, like Woody would be. So yeah. A new official name. Woody. Yeah. Woody came from a cowboy to a clown doll. Well, he was a doll already. No. You're not allowed. You're not allowed, okay? This is more scary than FNAF. Yeah, Mark would have a panic attack if he was playing this. I know I am. Oh man. I need to be conservative. Hey, can someone tell me what the honking is? Like the womp sounds. Because I think these guys, that'll make. I think that's a bad sign. Ugh. I would, if there's a second version of this game, I'm just gonna die. Because I don't like the first one already. Too scary. I would hate to play the second game, but I would do it for you guys. 4 a.m. And apparently this goes to 7 a.m. Oh, come the heck on. Hello, buddy. Woody, yeah, that's why I named you. What are you pointing at? Oh no. He's going through that hole. This pothole he's going in. Why? No one told me how to solve this. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Is you, Piggy? Because I know the pig is an animatronic too. No, a doll, sorry. Well, he's an animal. Shut up! Oh, thank you. You actually listened. Ugh. Oh my gosh, have you noticed the picture? That's the girl, then above the night is Woody, then the pig, then next to the horse is Creepy Face. I think that's his new nickname, Creepy Face or something, I don't know. I don't even know what to call you. You look like you have hair. Oh, you're creepy. Oh, you're very close to me. Shut up, you fatty. Oh. Oh! I did it! I don't like this. I'm doing worse or better, I think. I understand the concept better now. Camp 15's been doing good. Oh my gosh, you're creepy. He's tall. Are you sure that's a doll and not a mannequin? Follow that entity or follow that humanity? I can't pronounce words anymore. First it was the lady, now it's Woody. Why, lady? Oh. Yes. I made it. Wait a second, I remember. Ads took over. Oh no, ads. Oh, come on.
Just make sure that the temperature does not fall below 5 degrees or go over 35 degrees. It can be a real drain on the main generator and your energy. Again, good luck. Goodbye.
Excuse me? Does not rise above that or fall below that. What about Porker? I'm playing through night 2 as well. Just for you guys. How long has this recording been going? 20 minutes wouldn't hurt you. They need to get rid of those ads. Like, at least fix it so you don't start the night when you're watching the ad. Please, fix that. Hey, why was I checking there? No, I guess Woody messed me up. Rumbling. Jeez, woman! You definitely run fast. She went from here to Cam 9. I don't even know which way she took. But she's extremely close to me now. Jeez. She tap danced her way over there. I really hate this. They know these are haunted, so why put a human in here? Why not let them run around and then put a SWAT team in there, making sure everything's okay? It's SWAT, not squat. I'm doing well. I'm conserving power. I'm trying. I can't find the source of that problem. Oh goodness, sweet. I still don't know what that was for. Can someone tell me? Is it just like a panic thing? Hey, you have like 90% power now, sweet. It's 2 a.m., so yay. You'll totally not die during this strategy. Okay, you're very nimble and scary. Why are you both coming out? Oh, now I have to watch 3 cameras? It's hard enough watching in 1 camera. Even harder in 2. And the worst in 3. And it's going to end up to be 4 cameras. Potentially 5. I'm doing good on power, definitely. 3M and I had 85%. Had a lot less last time. Oh my gosh, they're right next to each other. Shut up! No. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Ooh, I forgot about the thermometer. Oh no, you better not head in there, you monster. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Please shush. I don't like you. I will never like you. Even if you invite me to a party, I still wouldn't like you. I mean, I would love the party, but I wouldn't like you. Four AM and I have 40% power. Ugh. Well, about 50-ish. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so tall and scary, Woody. Well, there's no well there, apparently. It would have shown on the map. Why? Oh. Oh. She's telling me to shush and I don't like it. Is the fatty like Freddy? Twelve, 13, 14. That's an amazing combo. Stop laughing at me, you monsters. I just want to go home, receive a nice paycheck, and never come back home. I don't even know if I'm getting paid. I'm probably getting paid a little more than Freddy Fazbear's or a lot less. It's only a little more or a lot less. Don't laugh at me. Down. Cool it down. Oh, power's draining. Power's draining. I keep forgetting about the thermostat. But I don't want to ruin my thingy already. Sweet jeez. Come on. Don't you dare clop your little fat feet. Oh, hello, hello, hello. 10, 12, 13, 12, 12, 13. %, power. And I'm done. Hooray! Finally, it's over. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ooh, I can breathe again. Bye bye. I said bye.